Okay, hello, welcome. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you expand your English, increase your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Today, let's have a look at prepositions of time, because we use them to talk about when something happened, like schedules, routines, or how long something takes. Hmm, yeah. So one talks on even, on, not one, on, O-N, O-N, talks about which day something happened on. I work on Mondays, but I don't work on Tuesdays. I work on Wednesdays. I don't work on Fridays. You could say, I work on Monday to talk about upcoming Monday. I will work on Friday. But if you add S at the end, it implies you're working on all those days. I work on Monday. I don't work on Mondays. No, I work on Friday. I only work on Fridays. Yeah. She will come to my place on Friday. The plane will land on Thursday morning. Ah. On Wednesday, on Monday, on Sunday, on Saturday. On. Yeah. And then we have, what's this one here? At. Usually talks about what time something happens. I will see you at 9. I'll be at the gym after this. She gets the train at 8 a.m. I'm going to teach at 10:30 or from 10:30. I I'm going to be in I'm going to be at Gibraltar from Friday. Oh. On and at with the weekend for US, but UK uses at. I'm going to the gym. I'm going on. I'm going to the gym on the weekend. I'm going to the gym at the weekend. Depends where you're from, at or on the weekend. But you say that to any native speaker, and they'll know precisely what you're talking about. No real problems. Might be a bit weird, but no problems. Then we have in. In means during and is for months, weeks, years, seasons, and times of the day. Morning, afternoon, midday. I go to the gym in the morning. In the morning. I was born in 93. Does she enjoy travelling in the summer? Are you going to go travelling in the winter? I'm going to show you what to do in the morning. In the morning. Or in February, I'm going to go to Mexico. In 2018, I did this. Tonight, in the afternoon, we will go here. We'll do this. Then we have past and to. I used to talk about the time. Past means after the hour, past the hour, and um, and un, and to means towards the hour. So you got past the hour, leaving the hour, and towards the hour. So it is 4 minutes past 4. 4:04. It's 4 minutes past 4 o'clock. But also to means until the hour, leading up to the hour. It is 4:45. 4:45. Here's the hour, and it's quarter way there. It's quarter way there. 4:45. Prepositions showing duration, like how long how long something lasts. Yeah. Because we can have from, to. I'll be teaching from Monday to Friday. Or between and. I used to talk about when something started and finished. Between now and Monday, I have some days off. From talks about when something started, and to talks about when it finishes. So from today to Monday, I have days off, and I got plenty of chance to do loads of recordings and loads of other things I need to do. Very important. Yeah. I work from 10:30 in the morning to 3:30. I teach between 10:30 and 3:30. Between. Between talks about the time in which something happens and an as to show when it stops. I teach between 10:30 and 3:30. Between now and Sunday, I have got time off. Between now and Sunday, I'm free. I'm good to do my own stuff. Yeah. Now, until, that's an interesting one. Until is used to say when something ongoing ends, when something happening still ends. I'll be at the gym until 7 p.m. I will be recording videos until 4 p.m., 3 p.m., I'm not sure. I will have some days off until Sunday. I will be doing my own things until Sunday. I'm going to be teaching until 3 p.m. Yeah. Since is used to say when something ongoing ends. Something happening now when it's going to end. I have been working since 10:30. Since I woke up this morning, I haven't done much. I had breakfast and I got ready to teach. Not done too much. I have been teaching English since October 2017. I have been in England since, I'm not sure when, for a long time, since 96, in that vicinity. I have been here for a long time. Yeah, for is used to express how long something has been happening for. I have been working for 5 hours today. I have been teaching for 10 minutes so far. Last month, I normally taught for 10 hours a day. I normally teach for 10 hours a day. I normally teach for 10 hours a day. Last month, August, I normally taught for 10 hours. Oof, that was insane. Same with July. 10 hours a day. Know what you want. I have been speaking English for, gosh, so long. 20 odd years at least. 22, 23, 24 years. Wow. Common mistake with since, though. Do not use it with the present tense, past tense only. We use since with past tense only. Jessica has not been to Gibraltar since September. Correct. Jessica travels here since last summer. No. Jessica has not travelled here since last summer. Since is in the past tense, not the present. I have not been to Spain since early September. I have not been to America since 2007, 8, 7? 7, I think. September, August 2007, yeah. And then we have by. By means something will be finished or done at or before. At or before. Will have finished. Will he have finished his homework by 6 p.m.? I will have finished recording by 3 p.m. I will have gone to the gym by 5. By the time 5 o'clock comes along, I will have gone to the gym. I will have been teaching for 2 years by the time, actually, yeah, now. I will have been teaching for 2 years by the end of October 2019. Wow, that's pretty cool for 2 years. 2 years, wow. I will have um, I will have been wearing suspenders for an entire year by February, March, April 2020. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. And then we have before. Before talks about something prior to something else. I will go to the gym before I have dinner. I will record videos before I do anything else. Anything else. She will come here again before she goes back to Mexico. I will go to London before I go to Mexico in February. I will go to Mexico before I go to Spain again in the future. In fact, I might go to Spain before New Year's, before Christmas. Before happens before, not after. And then after, yeah, look, that after refers to an event that follows another one. So we have the event, before, early, before I'll do this, before doing that. After I'll do this and then do something else. I will go to the gym after teaching. I will record more videos after this one. And then afterwards I have other things to do. Important things. I will go to the Canary Islands after going to Gibraltar and southern Spain. Again. I went to Gibraltar and I will go to the Canary Islands. Well, I'll go to the Canary Islands after going to Gibraltar. And then after Canary Islands, I might go to Mexico. Mexico. How exciting is that? How exciting is that? Yeah. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? So after, you got the event after and the event before. And by, meaning leading up to an event. Same with for, how long something's been happening. And since, how long it's happened since a time. Until, leading up to, until something ongoing ends. Yeah, pretty cool. Prepositions of time, pretty cool. Nice, not too bad, yeah. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.